simple program just we have discussed in the previous session. So our first program is display A 5 times. So I'm gonna copy this program from here and paste into emulator 8086 screen over here. Here you can see that apostrophe it get erupted, so I'll write again A in apostrophe. I'll do single step emulation. So by single step cx equals to 5, it means that 5 times loop gonna be executed. Move dx comma a, move h comma 2, interrupt 21h. After this command single a, you can see single a gonna printed on output screen. This is single a gonna print on output screen after this instruction. Now gonna move toward loop instruction, loop pen. It means that it has to loop again to the pen and to execute all the instructions that are present in the pen's body. So when it execute the instruction loop pen, the value of cx become decremented. That is, before it was 5, now it will become 4. Again move dx comma a in apostrophe, move h comma 2, interrupt 21h. Again an a gonna print on output screen. Now loop pen. After this instruction the value of cx become 3. Now again move dx comma a, move h comma 2, interrupt 21h. Another a gonna printed on output screen. After that loop pen, the value of cx again decremented from 3 to 2. It means that over here by 2 we can see that now the program gonna execute 2 times more and 2a gonna shown on the output screen. So when I'll run it completely, so you can say 5a on the output screen, and now you can see the value of cx is equals to 0. When the value becomes 0 for the cx register, no more execution for the loop gonna be performed, and your loop will be terminated over here. So this is display a over 5 times. Now I'll move toward program number 2. Our program number 2 is display small abc up to letter z. I'll copy this whole program and paste it on a emulator 8086 software. Now I'll perform. I have already roughly introduced each and every step of this program. Now I will execute single step emulation so you can more precisely see how this program or each and every program instruction gonna execute. Move cx comma 25. I have already told you that we have in loop we have 25 letter gonna printed on output screen because a is out of the loop body, so a gonna not be included in the pen's body. So the total letters in the pen body or the loop body which gonna be printed on output screen is 25. So I have to perform 25 time execution, or I have to put 25 letter into cx register over count register, 25 number into 25 number into count register. Now you can see that as I have moved 25 into cx register, the value stored in cx in the form of hexadecimal. So you already know this term that the register store values in hexadecimal form. Now I'll open the screen so that you can see printing of letter one by one. Move dx comma 97. Why I have moved dx 97 into dx? Because 97 is the ASCII of small a. How I can see is from the ASCII code over here. I click the ASCII code and I can see that for the small a the ASCII number is 97. So if I have to print small a on the output screen, I have to move 97 into dx register. So I just done that by moving 97 into in this program. I have just done it by moving 97 into cx register. So I'll emulate it again, and you can also see that